Yeah, that's why I have this.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna load this up.
She's throwing the swing one.
We're gonna get, you're gonna get 7 rounds of 9 with this one. 9? German gun. Pretty thick, but definitely not one. Alright, so this one you're gonna be shooting at that dueling tree down there. If you see it's kind of like yellow, and then the other set's orange. If you hit them, they're gonna flip over and change colors. This one practice run?
Wait, what's the 38? No, 44. I thought.
Yeah, they got a chopper rhino here.
That's a long one.
You see that red dot already? Stance looks good. Fire practice shot. Alright, let's do it.
Let's see how this is the first one. And then we'll see if I said that shit fine. I didn't see the second one. Subsonic bullets. Yo, that's a Ranger. That's Ranger. Yo, nah. That's how you do something. Dude, that was my favorite gun when I was a kid. Oh, that's fine.
All the way out.
Yo, what about the weevil? That's the weevil.
Every shot for this one, fire one, up, back, forward, lock it down. With Barrett's, they kind of get stuck right here. If you try to like push it down, so you might have to push forward and then down.
Yo, Jen.
But once you work that ball for the first time, you're gonna load into your own round. Okay, I can drop it down for you.
Sale.
Stance looks good.
She hit it.
Go ahead, reload. Alright, you're loaded. Nice, good shot.
First shot, eh?
That shit.
Nice.
Right beside you, my man.
Sorry.
Now you're up.
Nice. 3 for 3. 4 for 4. 4 out of 5.
Yo, that shit got me dead.
4 out of 5.
Here.
You want to get into that? No, the grouping. Go up about the grouping. Let's go straight dart. Which way the target go? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That's why they have that target. Because you burn your target and buy a good one to be there.
What was that?